People here only exist. I want people not to exist but to live. There is a difference. We are not here to exist. We are here to live. And how we live? We live with our dreams. We should have dreams. Dreams with a goal. Because dreams without a goal is like constipation.
Amazing.
All right.
So, to get an income that can make your dream come true depends on two factors. First is your rate. Second is number of hours you work. Okay. If in your job I ask, okay, Bhanudai, how many hours you work
32 hours?
per day?
Oh, per week.
Per day, how many hours?
Per day.
8, 10,
Uh,
7 hours.
7 hours, yeah.
Let's say 7 hours. And let's suppose on a taxable job your rate is around $25, right?
yeah.
Do you think with this rate you will have something like financial freedom or unlimited income?
No.
I
No.
can't
You know why?
imagine.
You know why? Because your rate depends on two things.
Time. Yeah.
Time is this one. Your rate depends on your knowledge,
Mm-hmm.
what your degrees are, what your knowledge is, and other is how many years of experience you have.
Mhm.
That is where you decide your rate. Same happens with the MBBS doctor. How he decides, or a personal coach or a wellness certified coach. Now, knowledge to make either this one unlimited or this one unlimited is important to make a dream come true. Now,
What's that? Another TV. Another TV.
sorry. So we said knowledge and experience. Rate, do you think how many years can you study? How much knowledge you can have? For 40 years you cannot study. You cannot have 30 years of experience. It is something which is countable, right? Which is less. So there is something which you cannot make unlimited. You agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
We all agree?
Yes.
Okay. There is 1 year left. What did I?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
On
So
behalf
what
of-
is something which you can make unlimited is your time. You can leverage your time through a model, a business model on which we work. Before though, in that model, I would like to inform you about the type of people they are in the world. There are two kinds of people who make income. One is known as active, other is known as passive type of people. Active income is something for which you are physically present. Passive income is something where you get money even though you don't work. For example, McDonald's. Do you think Donald Trump works anywhere? Donald Trump the owner? No. Thank you. He does not work, but still he got paid. You know why?
Yep.
Because you remember one thing,
He said his
rate into number of
franchise,
hours.
yeah?
He does not. People here, they work. And people here, they network. Thank you.
Alright.
Oh, okay. People here, what they do?
Network.
And-
Ryan,
please.
sitting next
Okay. They work.
Sitting
They
next
work
to-
and they depend on something. They depend on fixed number of hours. People who are here, do you think that people who work for passive income, they're curious to know about their rate?
No.
Yeah.
What are they curious? What is their why? What is something which drives them? Is the reason they know that the number of hours can be unlimited. For example, if a franchisee of McDonald's, okay, he gives franchisee to 1,000 people. He gives 1,000 franchisees. This is Donald Trump, right? Okay. He gives 1,000 franchisees. Every franchisee works for 10 hours. So for him, the number of hours worked will be 10,000 hours. For example, you get sick, Bhanuji. Do you think you will get paid? No. Why? Because you work for active income. If, let's suppose, for out of 1,000, even if 100 of his franchisee get closed or shut down or anything, it does not work. Does that still affect? No, because he still has 900 multiplied by 10, that makes 9,000 hours. Because he did not fix his rate. What he focused on number of hours. This business is also same. We multiply, we compound our time, we leverage our time. I hope everybody understood this concept.
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah.
The another thing which I would like to share is from Robert Kiyosaki. He also spoke about the same person, he says on active side there are 90% people, and on this side it's obviously 10% people. Even those who are weak in maths can calculate. 90% people in the world work for just how much money? 10% money. You know why rich are rich? Because of this concept. Because they don't have the mindset to go from here to here. And here is 90% money. Which side you wanna be, Pradeep sir? Which side do you want to be? On this side where there is only 10%?
That side.
That side.
Of course, that side.
Everybody agree we want to be on that side?
Yes.
Yeah.
But are you at the moment on this side?
No.
That side?
No.
So you have to choose. Today is the day. You have to take the decision. He says there are people who are employees. People who are self-employed like doctors who set their rate, as I said earlier. But here are people who are business-minded, who are business professional, and they work on something called ongoing income. Even though they are not working, they get money, and the business is huge, more than 500 employees. Here we have investor. To invest is the best option we have, but to invest you need a huge capital. You need millions of dollars. What Robert Kiyosaki, the highest seller of Rich Dad and Poor Dad book, he says, if you are here, it's okay, but can you be here or here? Can you be here or here? Anyhow, you have to be on both sides if you want to be rich.
This side.
Who want to be rich?
Me.
So, everybody on the planet who was born poor, it's people say that he was born poor and he died poor because it was his luck. No, he was born poor, that was bad luck. But if he dies poor, it's not bad luck. It means he did not try enough.
Good.